Sean are on our way to the Long Island Roller Rebels holiday party in Massapequa from Babylon, and it just happens to be the worst night so far for weather. It's pretty horrible. So we're gonna show you the driving conditions while we're driving. Sean's crazy hands, ice driving.
Jazz hands!
He's doing jazz hands. It's kind of crazy. There's actually a lot more people on the road than I thought there would be. Mall to the right. Sean's road rage